I'm going to be showing you how to find emails of Etsy seller. So the short answer is you usually can't directly see an Etsy seller's email. Etsy keeps emails private for safety, but here are the legit ways of finding or contacting a seller. So we need to do is use Etsy messages. So that's the main method. You just need to find the app of Etsy. So you can see it's right there. And then you just need to look at the bottom where you can find the option of you. So that's your account. And then you have messages right there. Just go ahead and tap here. And if you have any messages from the seller, you can see them through here. And then you can just message the seller through there. Just open the seller's product. Sometimes you can do it directly through the product as well. So let's say you want to contact this seller. Just go ahead and tap here. And as you can see at the top, you have this messages option. Just go ahead and tap there. And then you can just write a message to the seller. And you can contact them instantly inside Etsy. You can also check order mail if you already bought. If you purchased them recently, then you can just check your email inbox like normally. And sometimes you'll see the seller's name or reply email. So that's how you find emails of the Etsy seller. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.